What's good, what's good? It's your boy Kevious, and I'm back with another video. And if you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be about the Lanvin Curb Sneaker. So let's get right to it. If you don't know, now you know. It's a real popular shoe right now. I'm pretty sure you guys have been seeing this all over social media lately. And I've been having my eye on this particular sneaker for a minute now, for a couple of months I must say. But it's been real hard trying to get a pair. They've been sold out. But luckily, shout out to you, you know who you are. I finally got my hands on a pair, so let's get right to it. We got the Tiffany blue with the Lanvin on the front of the box. Moving to the side, you have your serial number, product code, style code, color as well on the side. And the rest of the box is pretty blank. Remove the lid. You have your tissue paper and dust bags that say Lanvin on it. Well, 2 dust bags for each shoe. Real nice touch. Remove this tissue paper. And these crazy. But here you have it. The Lanvin curbside sneaker in the black colorway. I chose this colorway mainly because, you know, I feel as though I can, you know, tweak a lot of colors with this colorway here. But you have the black upper with the gum bottom. You have leather, suede, and mesh throughout the upper. You have 2 sets of laces. You have the herringbone overlay laces in that multicolor. And underneath that, you have a pair of black wax laces. You have the chrome eyelids throughout. You have rubber as well on the toe cap, as well on the back heel. Like I said earlier, you had a gum bottom with the Lanvin in the center. You also have it on the tongue. A lot of people say this looked like the Osiris skate sneaker from back in the day, and I must say it does. Mainly with the way it flows. And this sneaker was, you know, the silhouette was based off the 90s skate wear. That's how they came up with this here. But you had the super puffy tongue. You had the Lanvin logo right here. You have suede. You also have made in Portugal on the sides on the back of the tongue. And you have Lanvin on the sole as well. I went with a size 44. I'm a size 11. And they're really comfortable, really comfortable. I always say go true to size. They fit perfect. Well, I have a slim to narrow foot, so they fit me real good. But I'm really excited about these shoes because, you know, I'm always trying to involve my style, and I always try to, you know, get different things to, you know, to challenge myself. And I feel as though like this sneaker here will challenge me, for real, for real. So that's enough of that. Let's show the left shoe. Multiple colors in the sneaker. A lot of people been, you know, wearing these all over social media, like I said earlier. And each color of the shoe have different, you know, overlay laces. So that's about it. I'm gonna put an outfit together for you guys right quick. And I want you guys to tell me how you feel about it. So I'll be right back.